Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Weverse app quickly on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here we search about the application of Weverse and we click here. Weverse like this. Then here we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will start your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.